Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a leave-in cream with Murumuru and Cupuacu butter meant to give a soft, non-greasy afterfeel to the hair. Murumuru butter is often called a quote vegetable silicone because of its protective properties. It leaves noticeably shiny hair when applied directly. Cupuacu butter is very good for moisture protection. It helps to soften the hair as well. Cassia hydroxypropyl trimonium chloride, aka Cassia Cat, provides slip at certain percentages. Unlike Guar Cat though, no pH adjustment is necessary when using it. Bamboo is a rich source of silica. It's said to help strengthen the hair over time. In this case, I'm making a tea including bamboo to serve as the base of this recipe. Fenugreek is great to use in tea rinses and spray bottles when twisting or retwisting the hair. It's also said to help strengthen hair and to help with shine and softness over time. Nettle leaf is said to be a powerful herb when it comes to hair care. When applied topically, it's said to help soften the hair, to improve shine, and to strengthen the strands over time. Panthenol is used here not for its reported humectant properties, right? It's said to make the hair shiny and improve elasticity over time. It's often found in hair care products meant to improve dry or damaged hair. I want to make sure the combination of aloe powder and the preservative hasn't driven the pH too low. So pH strips aren't the most accurate way to test pH, but they're better than nothing, and certainly they're much better than the pH water meters where you have to dilute the mix before testing. The final product is creamy, not greasy, not heavy, and provides a light softening for my wiry 4B hair. Unlike a previous recipe, the Very Soft EQ65 did not make my hair look dull, nor did it sit atop the strands for an extended period of time. I'd recommend Verisoft for people who want light conditioning with good detangling properties. That's it, guys. Enjoy your mix. Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.